out there? Oh!
Team Fisherman, we're making a difference. Let's keep posting quality fish releases.
Jesus Christ. It's not working.
Come on, Brad.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been at the brand new. Real legit with yang, fuggler.
Real dinosaur. Nice and healthy. Biggest catfish.
What?
It's gotta be.
We'll
Getting
be,
them off the bottom's a little bit tough.
yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yep, that's a big catfish.
No.